So I'm back with another quick tip, a little buyer beware. Let's say you pulled your Polaris 500 engine apart and you saw some cylinder wear there, and you're like, all right, well, I need a new jug or I need this honed out. And you're feeling lazy and you don't want to go to the machine shop, and all of a sudden you're on the interweb and you see this. And you go, damn, that looks like a good deal. 119 bucks. Everything's all included, a whole cylinder top end kit. I'll buy it. Well, guess what? You probably shouldn't. One, it's made in China. Two, there's no port out here for your coolant tube, so that's gonna have to get pressed in. And three, it's kind of a one-shot deal. Put it in once, you might be good. You have to replace the head gasket the second time, like what I did. I didn't buy this. I actually got this off a motor I was rebuilding, so I tried using it. The cylinder walls were very clean. Guess what? I went to torque down the head, and the bolts stripped. Why? There is no metal sleeves in there. It's just tapped out in the aluminum, and once you torque them down a second time, they strip out. There's no threads in that hole. I had installed it, and all of a sudden I started torquing down the head. Went up to 52 pounds, and guess what? The screw kept spinning. So I wondered what was going on. I pulled the jug off. Let's leave this way. And there's no Polaris markings on there. This is an old Polaris jug I got. Flipped it over. Look at that. There's metal sleeves in there with that's threaded for your bolts to go down and grab onto. And guess what? Those aren't going to strip out. So you're better off spending the 55 bucks or 60 bucks, maybe 80 to go to a machine shop and have this honed out, or I should say bored out, than spend 119 bucks and possibly end up with a pile of junk and having to go ahead and do this again. So then you're 200 into it. So here's my quick tip of the day, a little buyer beware. Stay away from the Chinese crap. And like always, till next time.